Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode is this cool, amazing part right here, and basically what these are some ice melter or snow melt. Mainly this is for ice. They don't really recommend it to put it onto snow, and there has their own reason why. These are fast acting, it should be safe for animal and eco-friendly and everything. Let's open it up and show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when we open it up, this is basically what it looks like. So we got the 25 pounds, if you can see right here. The one that we got right here doesn't have the scooper, so if you guys do want the scooper, you guys want to make sure you guys get that as well. So if you see right here, we use our little cup right here, so that we can use that option. You just scoop as much as you guys need to and just start spreading out on the ice area. Alright, so we'll start pouring some over the spot right here and see what happens. So another thing to remember is that when you guys pour these ice melt, you guys want to make sure it's spread out and not all clumped up together. If it is all clumped up together, you guys want to get like a shovel or something similar to that and just spread it out, because it's not good to have it all clumped up together. Alright, so you can see in these next few videos or images here, you guys can see there's like a bunch of little spots or holes, and you guys can actually see a lot more of the ground. Like this part right here, you guys can see that there's like a puddle and everything. So it doesn't really work like immediately, but it definitely does work. You guys can see all these little patches that are opened up now. So that was originally all like ice and everything, and it was not coming off unless you guys use something like this for ice melt. So the product itself, it does work. It just takes some time, especially if you guys haven't taken care of it for a while and just had a bunch of ice there. It will take a while for it to melt completely. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you like this video, then make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and help this channel out as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.